Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let us go into question number 2 now. Okay, can we integrate straight away using the partial fraction decomposition? Okay, not yet, because this is also an improper fraction. Degree numerator greater, or here it's equivalent to the degree of denominator. Alright, so it is still improper fraction, so we need to simplify further before you decompose it. So everybody, let us do the long division. Okay, let us pause this video so that you can do the long division. Okay, we need to get the answer or the remainder and the quotient correct first before we can do the partial fraction decomposition. Let me give you about 2 minutes. Everybody pause the video and try for 2 minutes the long division. Okay, 2 minutes from now. So let's compare work. Okay, so we have got this. I hope you have get it correct. Yeah? Okay, so hence the question now, our fraction now is equivalent to the answer, the quotient 2 plus the remainder, okay, over the divisor. We have to get this one correct first. Alright, so coming back to the question, we are then supposed to integrate all this. Okay, integrate with respect to the x. So integrate all this with respect to the x. Alright, so for this portion, do we need to diffract or do we need to decompose it? No, okay, but you can actually separate them. And I say that integrate 2 with respect to the x, and here you can separate them. Okay, integrating 7x over x squared plus 1, and then plus integrating of this thing. So how do we integrate this? Here you can use a simple use substitution, and for this portion maybe you are to look at your formula lists. Alright, everybody, let us again pause the video. Let me give you 2 minutes. Solve the integral. Please do it of your own first before you compare to my answer. Ready? Okay. Here, use substitution. Over here, look at the format in your formula list. Alright, 2 minutes from now. Pause the video. Alright, let us compare work. It started with our long division. Make sure you show it. And the answer is correct. Sometimes there's a mark there. Okay. As for this portion, we do not need to do the decomposition. It's simple enough. So we can separate them like this. And on how to solve the integral, you need to show the method. Here we are using a use substitution. You know that if we did not show it, M0, we cannot accept your answer. As for this portion, we have to look at this formula list. Okay, from the formula list given to us, it's an easy 1 over a squared plus u squared. The answer is given, which is in this case, our variable is x and the constant is 1. So we get that for the answer. Right, so you have to have this. Make sure that you show it in terms of a u for your answer. Okay, and then replace it back in terms of the x given. So this is simple enough. Okay, so you have to integrate. This is correct. Okay. So for this portion, maybe there's an answer there for this part. And for the last answer, so that it can carry a nice 5 marks values. Right? Make sure that you show the step-by-step work before you jump to the answer.